Tree trimming is one of the many maintenance tasks that the Department of Transportation and Development engages in throughout Louisiana on a daily basis. Here, DOTD crews in the New Orleans region are trimming trees along state highways. In one location, overgrown tree branches were blocking the visibility of a nearby traffic light. And in another location, the tree had grown so large that it had damaged one of the DOTD road signs. DOTD crews are routinely trimming trees along state highways when weather allows and staffing is available. Thanks for watching.